Now for our unboxing video. What do we have here? Very excited? Yes. What's in here? Nervous? What is that? Open it? Yeah. Ooh. You're having a little trouble. Uh-oh. Get it, get it, get it. Okay, cut some more. All right. Oh, you're gonna pry with my knife and break it. Okay. Ooh, there you go. Ooh. I'm nervous. You want to switch? Push this out. Ooh. Is it already on? Looks like it's on. It's on. Ooh. Bring your iPhone near the watch. That's there's some other language. That's Chinese. I don't know. Okay. We'll have to read some instructions on this. It looks like Korean. I don't. Bring your iPhone near the Apple Watch. Okay. We'll do that in a minute. Let's get your band on it. Oh, I see why you're using a knife on it now. It's all taped up. Ooh, that's sticky. Has anybody else ordered any of these? Have you used these? We've not done this before. This is our first time trying these newfangled gadgets. Toward the box. I'm not being as nice as you were. Expressing your face. It's one side. Here's the other side. Oh, here's the other part. It comes with 2 different sizes. One that fits you, one that fits me. So I guess you want the small one on there. Was this yours? You don't know, okay. Because they have names with them, because they're the exact same thing. There's supposed to be a name or an ID on it. Hang on a second. Ow. We'll match the names up in a minute. They both have my name. Yeah. Charging cord. Which I don't know how this stuff opens. Oh, okay. It's kind of neat. Hello, hello, hello. There's nothing there. Let me see if I can figure out how this goes on there. Like that. Which way do you prefer? Wrapping over and fasten or wrapping under and fasten? And are you going to wear it on your left arm or on your right arm? On your right arm, okay. So that'll make a difference. So if you're taking it, we'll just try it out, and if it doesn't work, we'll switch them. That's easy, it just slides in. I'll show you with the other one. Just take this, there's a little groove. It just slides, well I say it does, maybe it's from the side. It just slides in there, it's in. Pretty slick. And then it will tuck in and fasten. Where's the little knob? Fasten down. I think I have it right. Hope. So then you can take it. This won't fit me. We'll figure it out in a minute. But that one is set for you. And we'll see if the numbers match for you. We'll see. So that's opening an Apple Watch. All this packaging for that. But it's really cool. And hopefully we're going to really enjoy a lot of use out of these. Because it's supposed to help track our health and your oxygen levels and your heart rate and your sleep time and all kinds of stuff. There's more stuff on here that I don't know. You can also pull up text messages, maps. I'm surprised it doesn't have a camera in it. It's got a little keyboard on there. When you're typing, you can do a swipe text or type text. So you can type your messages. A whole lot of stuff. Oh, here's some instructions. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so push it on the tab and then tuck it in. Okay, so when you flip it over, you're going to push the little tab first, and then tuck it in. So you're going to fasten that and then tuck it in. Cool. And it's back to Korean or Japanese or something. I don't know what that is. But I'm not going to hit the check. I'm not going to hit the check mark because that's not right. X. English. Yes. United States. Yes. Open the watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. Okay. Not ready for that. You brought this close to it, so it's trying to connect to my phone. All right. Cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching us open that. And maybe we'll try recording this other one too, so we get a little bit better view now we know what we're doing. And I don't know what we're doing here. It's ready to go or something. I don't know. So it should be cool finding out what we do. Hey, thanks for watching.